Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to be making a Zapier integration with deal.ai using the official deal.ai Zapier app. So to do that, I'm going to go into marketing.deal.ai, and which is the deal.ai dashboard, go to ultra fast funnels on the left, and then I'm going to click on one of the funnels that I already made in a previous video, Dave's Fish Market. So let me click on that. All right, so now I'm in here. There's two steps to this funnel. There's a welcome page and a thank you page. As you may have seen before, I have on this page a form you can fill out. So that's our built-in contact form element. Now to add the Zap, if I go over here, I'm inside the funnel. On the upper right, I can click on settings. And then over here, we have all these Zapier templates. So what I'm going to do is click on this first template here, use this Zap, and that'll open up Zapier.com. You may have to log in or create an account if you don't have one. And it'll automatically set up a Zap for you with a trigger of deal.ai and an action of Google Sheets. Now you can do any action you want with Zapier. It doesn't have to be one of these templates that we give you, but these are just some ideas. So to set this up, I'm just going to click on Choose. I've already hooked up my deal.ai account. If you don't already have your account in here, you'll need to go to your deal.ai profile page on the upper right, click on Profile, scroll down, and just copy that API key. And that API key is what you're going to paste in here when you hook up your deal.ai account. So once that's done, it'll look like this. It'll have my email address for my deal.ai account. I click Continue. The trigger, I want to listen to all funnels, not just one funnel. So any kind of contact form submission I want to send in to Zapier. I'll hit Continue. And I'm going to hit Test Trigger. So this will bring in some data. If you haven't already received a form submission, it should give you some sample data to work with. So then you could just click Continue. Now, I want to do Create Spreadsheet Row because I want to add contacts to a brand new Google Sheet that I made. So I'm going to hit Continue. Choose an account. I already hooked up my Google account, so I'm just going to select that and then hit Continue. Now for the action details, let's choose Drive. I just have my Google Drive. That's the default for most people. For Spreadsheet, I have Leads. And for Worksheet, I just have one tab on my sheet. It's called Sheet 1. So as you can see, it's called Sheet 1 on the bottom left. All right. Now they're saying, hey, we didn't see any headers in the selected spreadsheet. So to set up the spreadsheet, I think we need to add some headers. So let's add one called first name, then last name, and then email. Okay. Now let's try going back to Zapier and click Refresh Fields. There we go. It detected the 3 columns that we added. So if I click on first name, now I have first name from deal.ai. So I just stick it in that field. Last name, same thing. Oops. Email, click on it, and then scroll down, email right there. So there we go. We have our first name, last name, email. Click Continue, and then I'm going to click on Test Step, and let's see if that works. Okay, that looks like it works. It looks like it, let me just move this out of the way. It looks like it inserted that, so that's good. Now I'm going to go back to Zapier and click on Publish. There we go. It's publishing. And let's give it a second. Okay, the Zap is live. It's called Untitled Zap, so let's change the name of that. I'm going to click this little pencil. Let's call it deal.ai to Google Sheets. Okay, so that's saved. Now it should work. So if I go over to my page here and I click on here, let's do Dave Test as the name, Dave and some number at test.com. So I want it to be a new email address and click on Submit. There we go, it's submitted. Now let's see if that got inserted. There we go, it got inserted into the sheet here. So That's an example. As you know, we have Zapier has a lot of different apps you can connect to. This is just one of them. A lot of people like to use a CRM like MailChimp or High Level, just some examples. But yeah, check out our Zapier templates in your funnel settings and have some fun with it. Let us know how it goes. All right.